Okay, now click on the local.
This one here?
Yes, please. Double click. Now select new folder. So who is sharing screen? Let's see your name. I think your name is...
It's Arthur.
Okay, Arthur Automation Project. Now you can click anywhere so that you can double click on it. Now double click on it. Now we need this part. So select folder. You're doing well. So that is the part. So what you just need here is just check the checkbox. Yeah. And yeah, click on create. So you see this screen, which was the screenshot I showed you to say that you need a framework. So for the sake of interview, tell them the framework you're using and the version. So if you're saying my test project framework is .NET 6.0.
Please, can you record this?
It's recorded.
Is recorded.
So
okay.
We have the recording.
Okay.
So you can say that the project is .NET 6.0. We have different version. We have 3.1. If you want to select SpecFlow Spectron, you can select 3.1. It's actually good version. And mind you, we also have upgraded version to that, which you can select as well. So depending on the second field, whatever you have in the second one determine the version you select at the top. So what did I mean? If you select, if you click on the drop down, the second drop down, no, you can collect second. So you can, SpecFlow is missing here. What happened? Okay, that's fine. All right, but I thought you can see SpecFlow because you actually selected SpecFlow when you want to create a project, right?
I did. However, I recall when Olusegun shared his, he had a few options at the bottom and he chose SpecFlow and clicked on new. But I only just had that one. I didn't have the other ones at the bottom.
Okay.
So I'm not sure that.
Did you install do the step 2?
I did.
You saw the installer and everything. And in the workload, did you select .NET Desktop Development? The workload when you do the installation of Visual Studio. If you have done it, it's fine. It's fine.
I can't remember.
So no, I think I get it now. Sorry. The reason why you're not seeing SpecFlow is because of the 6.0. We don't have any SpecFlow for 6.0.
Oh.
Did you get it? Now, if you select from the drop down at the top, 3.1, you will see SpecFlow. Yes. Yeah. Now you will see exactly. So all the version of your project determine the first one, the first field determine the version of your project, what you will see. So if you select 4 points, if you go to the next one, you might see, because it means that for 6.0, you cannot have SpecFlow because they are not there yet. But with NUnit, of course, they are ahead in terms of version. So if you select 5.0, you might actually not see SpecFlow, or you might see select 5.0. Let's see. So you still see it. So select 3.1, you will still see it, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's stay with 3.1.
Okay.
The reason why I said we should stay with 3.1 because we can see all the test runner. We can see SpecFlow plus runner. You can see MS test. You can see XUnit. You can see NUnit. If you have selected 6.0, it's fine. What you just need to do, select NUnit. So
for
now,
this one, do you want me to select SpecFlow?
No, NUnit.
Okay, so yeah.
But we will install SpecFlow. Okay. And because we have 3.1, it kind of okay. And we can as well select 6.0 as well. if you want to, whether we stay with 3.1 or 6.0 is fine because both versions support N units. Did you get it? So if you're selecting 6.0, you might not see run spec flow because that spec flow is not there yet. Okay, so now you need to click on create. So this is what you should see. It's creating your project with some folder structure, which Adedayo have. So you and Adedayo might not be on the same page. The only thing is that I don't know if he has done the Nugget package. So if he hasn't done that, that means everyone is on the same page now. So can you see, by default, you see some folder structure created for you by default, which compulsory you will see features because you have to see it by all means.
Well,
And
this one's here.
Exactly. By default, you will see it created for you. And inside features folder, you will see calculator. Can you see? You see calculator until you activate your spec flow before that icon changes to spec flow icon for you. Did you get it? But which we will do. So is everybody on the same page before we proceed? Kayode? It's like Kayode is now eating now.
No, no eating. I
So where are
did this
you?
one. I think I'm in this page where this one, but it's okay.
Okay.
You say we are going to see one calculator. Where is that calculator?
If you expand the feature.
Over here.
Let me see. Where?
Just on
Okay,
the
we
right.
need to we click on the feature.
Yeah. Just
feature. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
I've done that, but
Okay.
my page is still
Yeah,
blank.
I see calculator feature.
So is everybody here so that we can proceed to adding a Nugget package?
Okay.
Because the QA for this internship is not
Bimbo,
much, so it's easy
Bimbo,
to.
Can I ask you one question, please? Yeah.
Yes,
Now
please.
that we have navigated to 3.19 model,
yeah,
is it not going to be a kind of impediment in the nearest future when we are designing?
no,
Won't
it won't.
some feature, are we going to see all the feature of 6.0?
No. Yes, you will see it because it means that you only selected 3.1 because that is one of the version for N units, but N unit have upgraded their version to 6.0. That is the maximum version for N units projects. So if you're talking about your project that you created, it is N unit project. You call it N unit project.
Yeah.
So you did not create a spec flow project for the sake of interview. You are creating N unit project because what it means is that you will install Nugget package for N unit first. After that, you will now add spec flow, which is N unit dot spec flow to say, spec flow, I still want to use you. Please join the team of Nugget packages, but you will focus on the N unit because that is your project. Did you get it? You first of all install everything that has to do with N units, then you need to add the one for spec flow for your feature file. Did you get
Bimbo?
Yep.
Yeah, sorry. When I clear on the is it calculator features, I'm seeing another thing different from auto one.
Okay.
Can I quickly share my
if you expand your calculator
double click on the feature. Double click on it.
Yeah, I've done it. And I saw the calculator features. Then I click on it.
Okay.
Oh, I don't need to click on it yet.
No. You don't need to.
It won't redirect you to anywhere.
You won't go anywhere.
Except if there is an hyperlink from Microsoft to tell you all about.
Can I quickly just show you my screen?
You can override the sharing is okay. Can override with sharing.
Can you see me now?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that is what you should see.
This.
Because we are not here yet, I want us to do the nugget package. Then after that, we will now come here.
So what should I do now? Leave it or
So
close?
now, because you're sharing screen, we need to do the nugget package. So we will use you for the nugget package, meaning that your screen sharing will be used for nugget package. So now, to do the nugget package, there are lots of ways to get there. You can either right click from your solution and click on manage nugget, blah, 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 or you go from the menu. So for today's training, we will use our menu. So go to menu tools, menu tools, menu at the top, menu at the top.
Yeah. Which one?
Tools.
Where's tools?
Choose after analyze.
You just left it now. On top. You're by your right. Right. Just the fourth one where your cursor is.
I think the Zoom is covering my.
I think I've
Okay.
discussed this several times. Please
I don't
hide
know
it.
how to drag it. I click on it, so I try to take it off there.
Okay. After the call, look at your Zoom setting and try to hide it.
Okay.
Yeah, they can just click minimize. It's going to minimize it.
Yeah, you can minimize it. Yeah. Okay. If we cannot do that in the next 1 minute, another person might share screen because of the time.
Okay, yeah, maybe another person can just share.
All right, I'll go ahead and share. So,
okay.
all right, is that visible?
Yep.
Okay, so we go to sold.
Yes, please. So you go to Nugget Package Manager.
Okay.
And select Manage Nugget Package for Solution.
Okay.
Yeah,
yep.
But this is what I'm saying. This is not where I am. It's different totally from authors.
Okay, so which number are you? 1, 2, or number 3?
Yeah, I click on the features, then I click on the calculator features, and it took me to another place. It's different from this totally.
Okay.
So that I'm saying, do I need to go back? Or
if you can share your screen, you can override him.
Yeah, I got all this.
Okay.
So I'm saying, did I need to go back from here or what?
Okay. You need to do the Nugget package where we are selecting tools.
Okay, yeah, tools.
At the top.
Yes, this is Kuga. I need to take this away. Sorry, can I don't know.
Yeah, but this was the reason why you stopped sharing, because you couldn't see it.
Just draw that bar, zoom bar, draw it somewhere, maybe by the side, so that you'll be able to see your tax bar.
I'm trying to bring it that it's not coming down.
Okay, you can move this thing. You can move it down then, so that you'll be able to see the tax bar.
Just click minimize. Click the top and minimize. Move over the top. You see cancel.
Okay,
maximize, just minimize.
No.
Then click your Visual Studio.
It's still there. It's still on the top, covering the tools.
You can drag it down so that you'll be able to see the.
Exactly.
Drag it down so that you'll be able to see. Yeah. No, drag that Visual Studio down.
How do I do that? I'm sorry.
From the top or from the side?
Depending on because you are the only one that is seeing your screen. So you will be the one to decide where to
tool
drop it.
is just the fourth one to where your cursor is.
I saw it, but this is covering it.
Yeah, your cursor. Okay.
Yeah, I just need if I can take this the zoom down, I will see it. So I don't know how to do that.
No, you can even it's head of the two. You can you can drag the zoom as well to the side, so that you can drag it to somewhere, so that you'll be able to see.
Okay, press on tools.
Yeah. No. You are out. Then go to Nugget Package Manager. Scroll. Yeah.
Okay.
Then manage Nugget Package for solution. You click on that.
All right. Thank you, guys.
So who is behind? Our next session, we should be going forward, not starting from number 1. Okay, we can proceed. It's like everybody's on the same page. So we need to start installing our Nugget package. And remember that I said, depending on your test project. So our test project here is NUnit. We will do all the installation that has to do with NUnit. So the first one, you need
Can I just sorry about this now. If I want to use MS Test.
Please, no.
No, what do I need
let everybody select NUnit.
Okay,
The reason is
okay,
because so that if you're seeing a particular error, Olusegun can also relate to it, everyone.
Yeah.
Because if you select a test runner that is different from the thing, it might be that test runner, they have done upgrade, and a little bit is different from everyone. So make sure you select what we are teaching so that everybody's on the same page. So type NUnit there, please.
The search bar.
Yes, please.
NUnits.
Just no. Click on browse. You can see in the install, it's installed for you by default, because a lot of things, maybe you just click on the checkbox and everything, install some Nugget package, but you need to install some yourself. Go to browse, and type NUnit.
There's no package found.
Pardon?
Yeah, it's fine. You need to type it. Type NUnit.
Yeah, one word or space?
No space. NUnit. Yeah.
Yeah, I've done. It says no package is found.
It's fine. It's fine because you've not installed any package. So click on the first one. Now our package is found. Now it's because you click on it. That's why the package is now found. If you did not make an attempt, nothing will be on the screen. So we need to install this. Please take note of our Nugget package for the sake of interview.
So how do we install this one now?
So, in my screenshot, I showed you that you have on your right what you are actually seeing. So you need to check project. Automatically, we check Ruby Olusegun project for you.
Okay. So I click on that.
Project. You are still in the middle project.
Okay.
Yes. Check inside. Yes. Can you see? Now you need to scroll down. Use the scroll or is it vertical or horizontal scroll bar? Oh, vertical scroll. Now scroll down more. Now click install.
Oh wait, I think I'm missing something.
Is it okay, install. Okay.
Bimbo, my own did not highlight. I can't.
Okay, you need to click on it.
Which one are we picking?
It did not highlight.
No, No, I that is why I started with N unit, so that we will follow the process. So the first one is N units. Click on the browse, type N units. Now select the first one that has to do with N unit. Click on it so that you see that.
by Charlie Paul?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, we're installing that. I mean.
Yes, that's the first Nugget package.
Then I need to click on the checkbox.
No. I said don't click on that.
Yeah, I just want to.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I tell you what my own is saying, Bimbo? He said it is installed. It's installed
that means
already.
You have done that process already.
Have you installed?
Have you installed? No. What test framework did you choose?
N unit.
Exactly. So you now need to install N unit again if it's not installed. So click on browse, type N unit, and click on it. So if it says installed, you will see a blue tick, like what you're seeing on the screen for I think, sorry, for Olusegun. You can see that we have a green tick to say that we have installed it.
Where is that green tick?
At the top. You can see it from the screen. If you can maximize your screen, Olusegun.
Okay, yeah.
Maximize. No, that's not the green.
I've seen.
The green is where you can read N unit. N unit. In the middle. N unit is the top one. First one. Yes. So the icon check, the green icon check means that you have installed it. Can you see latest stable version installed? So
the one, sorry to interject, please. The one on I picked the first one. Then on the right hand side, it says N unit version 0 projects and Emerald Blue Starter projects. Am I selecting those?
No, what you just need to select is Olusegun. Can you show him? You know, after you selected your N units, Olusegun, what did you do next?
Then I click on this one, the first very one. Yeah.
Then,
Okay, what did you now do next after you finish clicking on it?
Then I come to this side.
Exactly. So that is where you need to come and you click on projects.
Yeah, click on
scroll up for him to say
scroll
that.
up. Yeah. Okay, you click on project and that's what I'm saying. Yeah. I have to click both then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you click on install.
Exactly.
Project.
So it looks like you already have it installed, which is fine. But if you are the one that shared your screen before, it's already installed. So it's already installed.
This is how my own is appearing as well.
Yeah, it's fine.
Installed
so we now need
3.1.
Yeah, it's fine. What we just need to do is to install the second Nugget package.
All right.
Adedayo, are you actually on the same page with us now, or you already have your Nugget package installed?
I'm not sure I've done that.
Okay, it will be good if you can follow.
Can I just share my screen quickly, please?
Okay, please.
Bimbo, Olusegun has something written in a box at the bottom, test assembly not found.
Okay,
but mine doesn't have that. Mine is just blank.
Exactly. That has to do with the installation. You know, some of us, the way we have done the setup is now showing in our Visual Studio.
Okay.
You know, when I was talking about not clicking on the right thing when we are doing the installation, or we omit one particular step, so that can come up. So those are the errors that we now begin to see now. So if you in your screen share, we can see that your N unit is installed.
Okay.
And which other Nugget package did you install as well?
That's just the only one, I think.
Okay, so we need to install the other Nugget package. Okay, hold on. You need to search for N unit 3 tests adapter. Oh, that's the next one. So you install it. It's already showing at the bottom. Yeah.
So
let's install. Yes. 3-test adapter. You need it. Everyone, please. That's the second Nugget package. And you will have the latest table. Yeah, and just install. Yeah. That's the second one.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Has everybody done that?
Yeah, Bimbo, that's what I'm telling you, that in my own area, when I click the first one and even the N unit 3 test adapter, when I go to the project side, it's telling me that installed 4.1.0 installed already.
Okay.
It's telling me is installed. So the button for the install is blank. So it's giving me the
No, you
message
have
on the right that it is installed.
Okay.
ah,
Okay, because it's a Nugget package that you will physically install. So maybe you have done that process.
But I can't even see where I've done it.
look out there. You need to click on it first. When you click on it, then the install will come up. You need to
I've
click
done
on
that.
it.
I click on them. I click on them, yeah. And I click on project and scroll down. Maybe okay, can I quickly show you on my
Yeah,
screen?
yeah. Yes, please.
Can you please let me show you? You say override or something like that.
Yeah, just press
Yeah,
shift.
I've allowed multiple screens.
So are you seeing my screen now?
Yep.
Are you
Yeah.
sure you
Now this is what you are saying. Clicking this
You
one,
already
you see
installed it yourself because you can see it's from
Yeah.
the browse as well. It means that you are ahead in terms of installing. So
I
yeah.
think we are still seeing another screen. This is not your screen.
this is nice.
this is my
Sorry.
screen.
Okay.
Let me stop sharing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Are you seeing my screen now?
Yep.
Now, do you see this is the
You
first
have
one?
not installed. Oh.
So you need to scroll up on the
So you need
second
to
side.
scroll down. So show us where you
Scroll
see
down.
installed. So
Okay, now
you
let
said
me
you scroll down and you see installed. So show us where
let
you
me
see.
show you. This is it.
No, the button on the right.
Which button?
No,
This
you've
one.
not select browse. You are actually, yeah.
install.
Oh, okay. It looks like you've done it because it looks like a Nugget package that is already installed. So if you delete the N unit, let's see what you have installed and what you have not installed. So that's
How do I delete the end unit?
no, don't delete it. We
So
actually need it. You
is
mean that you've installed it. So if you scroll down,
so
you've installed the other one as well.
install.
Okay.
So 3 test adapter.
Install too, right? Good.
Install too.
Okay. So we need nunit.specflow.
Specflow. Specflow dot n unit.
Specflow.nunit. Yes, you need it.
This one as well.
Yeah.
Is installed.
Okay.
Everything is installed already. Anyway, I'm using Microsoft laptop. I don't know. Maybe that's why my eye effect or something like that. I'm using Microsoft Edge as well.
So you can see
Maybe
people that are Microsoft themselves.
okay.
I think why it's not showing the green tick is
But
Because
when you
when
see,
you
normally,
go to updates. If you go to update after the install, you realize your end unit is still a lower version. When you update, then this will choose to green.
green.
So go
Okay.
to the
Now,
click the updates on
okay.
the top after install, where it says 5. Yeah. So click on select all package. Come down, click on select. Yeah, click updates.
I think it's updating.
Yeah, just hold on there.
Okay.
Click on OK. So go back to install. Go back to install. Install.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you,
that's it.
Moses. You can say yes. So we need to add more Nugget package. If you scroll down, let's see what you have again.
It's the same thing.
No, it's fine. If you scroll down on your left, left, not right. Left. Yes, scroll down, use the scroll. Now you have the spec flow N unit. Okay, it's fine. You need the NUnit.console. You don't have that, so you might need to install the NUnit.console. So let's be on the same page with everyone. We have done NUnit. We've installed the latest version. We have installed the latest version, which is NUnit 3 test adapter. Please, the third one is specflow.NUnit. Have everyone installed it? Keyways?
Yeah, sorry. The
No,
third
not
one,
yet.
excuse me, the third one on my own is NUnit extension project
No.
loader.
You need to select the right text. So if you don't have it under install, just go to browse. Type NUnit.
No, I have I've installed the true
No, you will
one.
see the NUnit.console in browse, Coyote.
Yeah, I've done that. Yeah, I've done that. But I'm telling you, the third one I have here is NUnit extension.
Who is sharing screen? Is the person that is sharing screen that
Coyote. It's not
It's me.
the browse. You are
so
clicking update.
Coyote, you need to click on browse, not update. Exactly. Yeah. So let's search for NUnit.console.
Yeah, is it?
No, that is not it.
Okay, this is not it.
NUnit.console.
Up.
Remove your .console in the search. Exactly.
Okay.
And leave it at NUnit. Okay. So you will, if you scroll down more, you will see it. Can you see it? It's because you put .console, so kind of missing. Okay. Yeah, you can say whatever you're saying. I think somebody was saying something before.
No, I now say installed.
Okay, install the latest.
You see, this one says it's not installed. Now I should install it now.
Yes.
You have not installed the first one.
So it means that, pardon?
I think he has not installed the very first one.
Yes. No, you don't need to touch the first one because that's how you no, you don't have to install everything. No, you need to know the specific one to install. So that's why I'm calling it out one by one.
All right.
You get it. So we've installed
knows a lot
4
of things
Nugget
that we need to know.
now. So 4 Nugget package, 2 can be installed like Coyote Experience. So for Coyote Visual Studio, the 2 of the Nugget package is already installed for him, which make easier for him. So what he added, 3 was installed for him, which is the specflow.NUnit, is one of the Nugget package for NUnit project. NUnit project. So the second one is, because for the sake of interview, if you have been asked what Nugget package supports your NUnit, you can just mention it off air. So the second one, or if you're teaching anybody, the second one is NUnit 3 test adapter. Sometimes it can be installed for you like it did for Coyote, or you need to install it by clicking on browse and look for it and install. That's the second Nugget package. So the third Nugget package is specflow.NUnit. It can be installed, like I said, but if it's not installed, please go to browse, type just NUnit, you will see specflow.NUnit. So the fourth one is the NUnit.console. That is our fourth Nugget package for N units. Have everybody done that?
N unit.
Yes.
Okay. So we have the fifth one. The reason why it's too many packages like this is because it's N unit projects. If you're working on spec flow project, which we will do on in another class, you only need 3. But if you're working with N unit projects, you need up to like I think 5 or 6. So our number 5 is N unit dot runner. So where you are, they just scroll down and look for N. Yes, that one. N unit dot runner. Scroll again to see. Scroll. Yes. Click on it and scroll down, so that you can see latest stable version and install. Yes. So is a Nugget package.
NUnit.runner, NUnit.specflow,
Yeah.
NUnit.
No, specflow.NUnit.
Specflow.NUnit, then NUnit.
So,
NUnit
excuse me, please.
Yep.
So we need to install the specflow unit.runner again now.
Specflow.NUnit. If it has not been installed, specflow.NUnit.
Okay.
If you think it's not installed, please install it.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. Did we have the actual N unit installed? Because some of us is already installed for us. We don't need to worry. Some of us, we just need to type it again and install it. So if you go to the installed and put N unit, you will see all the Nugget package that we have. Some we have by default to set up for us, but the rest we have done it because we want to include it in the packages. So those are the Nugget package. Now we need Selenium, because Selenium is an open source that supports us to allow us to even make automation successful for us. So your project is NUnit projects with Selenium. Some of us, we can say SpecFlow, or because you need Selenium. No matter what, you still need Selenium. So now we have done all the installation for NUnit, but we need Selenium in our test. So we need to install the Nugget package. So the first one is selenium.support. But how do we see it? You type Selenium. Now,
are we going to delete the N unit out there?
Yeah, delete it and type Selenium. Make sure you finish all your installation for NUnit before you start Selenium.
Sorry, how many N unit do you have? Let me see if
you have 5. Everything. You should have 5.
Okay.
You should have NUnit, whether it's installed for you or you have to install. You should have NUnit, NUnit.console, NUnit.runner, NUnit 3 test adapter, and specflow.NUnit. Then you now have additional 3. So meaning that if you have NUnit projects, 8 Nugget package must be, whether it's already installed or you installed for yourself.
8.
That is only NUnit. If you're working on SpecFlow, you only 3 is enough, which is Selenium. Selenium.support, which is the one we want to do now, because you need it. You need Selenium. So the first one is Selenium.support. Or let's choose the first one. We need a web driver also. So let this one finish downloading. Selenium.support. We need the Selenium.web driver. Very important. So the last one is now. Did you have Google Chrome installed, Kayode?
No.
Okay, it will be best you install Google Chrome because in times of running your test, any unit can be too slow. So I would say that you should, okay, maybe go to Google in front of everyone, or did everybody have Google Chrome installed?
As web browser.
Yes, our browser, Google Chrome installed.
I think
Yes,
somebody has,
I
the
I
other
have
person has.
installed them.
So it means that majority have it installed. So Kayode, you
Mm.
might need to install it. The reason is because we can say that your automation should be for Edge, but the time it takes to finish running, let's consider it as well, so that also you can also be on the same page with everybody. So only your test will not be running on Edge. The reason is because if you're having issue, you want someone to check your code and be able to fix it. But once you start saying, Microsoft Edge, the person might be like, no, I've not done this before. And it's still the same thing because the person can even resolve it, because the only difference is that you only have the tag for, you only have the browser to be Edge. Did you get it? It's still the same, whether you have Chrome, Edge, IE, or Firefox. We just need Selenium WebDriver dot that browser driver. Did you get it?
Okay, so we are
So
installing
somebody needs to share screen so that we can install all the Selenium.
Can I share my
I think
Yes,
I think
please.
I've downloaded it.
Okay. Now,
Please,
okay,
ma'am.
let's check the version of
Hello,
your
ma'am.
Chrome. Hello, sir. Yeah.
Please, I have Selenium WebDriver dot Chrome driver. Is it?
Yes.
Dot Chrome driver.
Right.
Okay,
So
thanks.
.chrome driver. Yes, that's right. But is the version the same as your Google Chrome browser version?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you can still check it. You can open your Visual Studio, have it open. Now, because it's a browser, you can also open it and go to setting. That's it.
Wow.
We need to check it where at Visual Studio. Is that where I have 1 point? It's 113 point something.
I don't get it.
What I have 113.0.567 2.6300.
117. 113. That is the latest. That is for your
Okay.
browser, right?
Okay, yeah. Chrome driver.
What about your Chrome browser?
Chrome browser. How do I know that? Please.
Your Chrome, that if you want to search for Tesco,
Yeah.
the browser you go to is called the browser. The Selenium .WebDriver Chrome driver is just like the driver that supports your test to run on Chrome, or whether if you select Gecko on Firefox.
Okay.
So we want
Where
to share screen so that we can
where do you want
proceed.
get that spec? That spec,
Yeah.
where we want click to get that
Okay, share
spec?
your screen. Share so that everyone can see.
No, I'm just installing. It's coming up now.
Okay.
Let me share
Okay,
my there.
it's on now. Let me
All
show
right.
it.
Okay.
Oh, where is it?
Okay. So you have the latest version. The current latest version is 113. There is a pre-release of 114, but you don't have it now because you have 113. Now we now need to install the last one, which is Selenium WebDriver Chrome driver,
So
which should now be
This is
you see
show
my
us your
screen now?
Visual Studio. Yeah, show us your Visual Studio. Yeah, we can see your Google Visual Visual Studio. You need to share everything. When you're sharing Visual
Okay.
Studio, we can see it.
You mean this? This is my Visual Studio.
Okay. So now your Selenium WebDriver, Chrome driver, Chrome driver, WebDriver, Chrome driver. So you can see we have the IDE already waiting for us, but we are not using IDE.
So where do I find Selenium Chrome driver?
Where you have the search.
Okay.
You already have it
Selenium.
there. So when you scroll down, you see WebDriver, Chrome driver. You've passed it, or you scroll down.
I can't even find it. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, scroll down.
Scroll down. Scroll down.
Scroll down.
That.
So you can see we have different browser. We have the Firefox here, but our own is Chrome. Continue until we see it.
The label is purple.
Okay. Continue until we see it. If we cannot see it, maybe we close your Visual Studio and open it again.
Okay. Let me close it and open it again. Okay, save.
So did you see what happened now? You see that pop-up save. If your laptop is not strong, if mistakenly you remove the charger, you can lose every work you've done.
This extension?
No. We don't need the extension anymore. We need tools.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, tools.
Now, nuggets. When you remember chicken nuggets, we just go to
nugget package.
And
package
nugget, my package manager setting. How have you set up your Visual Studio? A lot is missing. Package manager. Okay, it's weird. Are you sure you've not overclicked on something or you're missing a step?
I was following every step that you are.
Okay, because what we want to do is not package manager console. It's not package manager setting. It's nugget. He has to have nugget again from the drop down. Did you get it? So it's called manage nugget package for solution. So it means that something is wrong somewhere from your installation process. You have missed a particular thing or you have clicked on a wrong. And I know that you were asking me of MS tests. What test framework did you select? You know, I asked the team to select.
I didn't touch MS tests because I did something about MS tests some times ago. So not
okay. Which one did you choose?
Which one did you choose? I choose the N unit. Is N unit that I choose.
Okay. Which version?
You are the one that were guiding me through.
Okay. You know, at a point you stop sharing screen, so I lost track of your work. So normally when you go to tools and you click on Nugget Package Manager, what you will see 3 options in the drop down. So one is Package Manager Console, which is
it was 3 I saw then. I saw 3 then.
So what happened?
That one that you are saying. I don't know why this is not
close
there
your Visual Studio and open it again. Okay, open it again. Continue without code.
It's still 2. Okay, let me do it. Let me do this. Let me try this one and see. As I did it, create a new project and choose C#. Next.
Did you select spec flow? If you go back, so where is the spec flow that was selected?
I don't even know where it's come from.
Type spec flow in the top search. Now select it now. Now click on next. Now put the name of the project. Let it be different from whatever you have before. So put your name. Okay, project. Okay. Now we already have a good part which says Emerald. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine because that's a good one. Now let's click on create. Create. It's fine. So now let's select 3.1. You can also have 6.0, it's fine, but let's just stay at 3.1. Because all this latest version, I don't like taking it. I will wait until we have 7.0, then I will now take 6.0. Okay, good. That is what you should see. So the next one is the Nugget package. And you go to Tools. Yes, Nugget package. Can you see? So sometimes you might need to close your Visual Studio and open it again, or repeat the step if you miss out something.
Is it the middle one?
Exactly. That is what we are looking for. So click on it. That is why you are saying that, oh, this is installed for me, that is installed, because something is missing somewhere. Because I know that what I've asked you to install is a Nugget package that you will physically install yourself. You know, before you said you have NUnit installed. Check it. Let's see. Check it. Scroll down.
It's installed.
Okay. So let's go to browse. Browse before installing.
Oh.
Under, okay, yeah. So NUnit is installed, yeah. NUnit 3 test adapter. Click on it. Is it installed? Okay. NUnit.console. Is it installed?
You have passed it.
Okay. NUnit.runner. Okay. So you have it installed, right?
Yeah. No.
I think it's just installing them, because if they were installed, you will have seen that green check against each of those Nugget packages.
NUnit.runner, NUnit.console.
Scroll down, you will see whether it has been, it's not installed.
Okay, let us mention the Nugget package so that I can know that everybody is following.
N unit on this N unit on top as well.
Yes, select that one, yes. And scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, install, yeah.
Installed. Yeah. Okay, we're done.
N unit 3 adapter.
Yeah.
So that means that all the installation you said is installed is not actually installed then.
Yes.
Oh, because I think it was weird when you say everything is installed for you. I said, okay. And because you said you're using Microsoft product, I said, okay, maybe Microsoft is doing everything for you. And
1, 2, 3. What is it for? Only is it for?
Try NUT runner.
Runner, nunit.runner.
Oh.
And you need to install NUnit itself and SpecFlow. Okay.
It's installed.
Click on it.
It's installed.
To be sure. Okay, now
what about SpecFlow?
Yes, SpecFlow.unit.
Okay.
Yeah. So now when you have done the 5 NUnit Nugget package, you need Selenium.
I think there's one left.
Okay. You have nunit.console, nunit.runner, nunit 3test adapter, nunit itself, and specflow.nunit. That's 5. Now you now need the Selenium because Selenium supports automation, and we can read more on that. So you need to install it.
Kayode, have you installed the cursor? NUnit cursor.
NUnit what?
Cursor.
Okay. You scroll down. Use the scroll. Don't drag the scroll. Yes, use that's that is it. I think you have installed it. Yeah. Okay. So now let's type Selenium and install selenium.support, selenium.webdriver, and selenium.webdriver Chrome driver. So making 8, please. So all these 8, we should know it off head for the sake of interview.
Please,
or you can write it down.
Can you please help us write it? We need to write it down.
We need class captain in our training. Class captain. Who is going to be the class
captain is working.
I will write it.
Selenium. Can you repeat the NUnit again? The 5 NUnits.
Okay.
Remember, you're sending us the slides.
Somebody please help.
Can somebody repeat the NUnit
so that
again?
we know that everybody is following.
NUnit itself, number 1. NUnit.console.
.console.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
NUnit adapter.
Not only writing it, you need to know what it does as well. Because
in fact, that's the question I want to NUnit.
Yeah, because it's already there anyway. You can see what it writes at the bottom, right? That is the description of what it is. Because someone actually went for an interview today and he said, oh, unfortunately, I did not pay attention to all these Nugget packages to see what it means. And yeah, the person actually knows all these Nugget packages, but I think he forgot what they do. But if you check, right, you can see like the Selenium support. Say provide support for Selenium driver. Do you get it now? So those information are also as well important as well.
Yeah. Selenium WebDriver is the 3rd one. Bimbala. I think Bimbala is done.
You need to click on your installed. Go to your installed section.
Yeah, I think these 2 has been installed, but the 3rd Selenium is what
you need to click on installed section. you are on browse, you need to click on install at the top. At the top, the next one. Yeah, those are the one that you just installed now.
Yeah. So
I think the third one is the Selenium Chrome thing.
yeah.
Is it meant to be 2 or 3?
Three.
Selenium is 3, while NUnit is 5.
Yeah, so the other Selenium is the one that has the Chrome thing, and we're supposed to check the version on.
So are we installing the web driver as well?
It's the third one. The third one. Scroll up.
Selenium Chrome driver. That's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Have you installed it or you're about to? Or
no, I want to get it and install it. I've not installed it.
Let's go to the very top. Just drag the scroll bar now.
Okay. This is the 2 I've installed. Selenium WebDriver, Selenium support.
The third one.
This is the topmost. The third one.
Yeah, that's one. That one.
Okay. Chrome driver, yeah. Thank you.
We only have 1 more minute on this call anyway, so it's already 11 o'clock. Oh, did I say 11 or midnight actually?
This today is so interesting today that I don't even know. I don't even doze off.
Yeah, that's good. So you're actually telling me in my session you doze off, isn't it?
Sometimes.
I take it as a compliment. Thank you.
Selenium WebDriver. Then number 8, Selenium support. So can somebody help us to rephrase that NUnit?
Yeah, I'm missing one in the NUnit.
The NUnit one.
NUnit.console. NUnit 3 test adapter.
Hold on. See. Can you click on that star, please? Close. Yeah, remove the NUnit. And then click on installed. You'll see everything that you've installed there.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. So then you can check them one after the other.
All right, thank you.
In fact, this is the
great, man.
NUnit runners.
Sorry, excuse me. Please check if you installed NUnit.console runner.
That's
one
what
of
I'm
the
even
Nugget
checking.
packages you're supposed to install.
No,
NUnit.console.
not console runner, dot runner.
Sorry, dot runner. Check.
Yeah.
This is NUnit.runner is showing.
That is .console.runner. Check.
No, NUnit.console, NUnit.runner.
They are different.
So whoever have done it, please send a screenshot, please, of what you have in your installed so that everybody can see, please, to the Telegram.
So my NUnit is 4. Which one is the 5th one, Bimbala, please? I have NUnit, NUnit.console, NUnit.runners, and NUnit 3 test adapter.
The two, yeah, that's the three. I think the fourth one is step flow and unit runner. Then step flow plus link.
You have the spec flow one already. So if you scroll down, since that starts with the S, so I'm sure it's at the bottom because I saw you install it.
Okay, spec flow, yeah.
Yeah, you have that already.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sure.
So do we install step flow dot plus dot living dot plugin?
No. No.
Can miss something there. I have 3 units here.
Okay, spec flow is the fifth one of the unit. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
So what's the fourth one? I have a unit console, I have a unit dot runner, then I have a unit.
Let me call it out.
Right.
N unit itself, unit dot console, unit 3-step adapter, unit dot runner, then spec flow unit.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you are good to go.
Then you now need Selenium.
Then you now need Selenium Chrome driver, Selenium web driver.
No. Selenium web driver, Chrome driver.
Yeah, then Selenium support.
Yeah. I got it.
Well done.
These are the three.
So this is the, I think, number 4 of our step. Well done. So
sorry, a unit itself is not showing on my installed here.
Okay, now you need to click on browse and search for it and
Okay.
install it. Or do you want to share your screen?
Yeah,
Yeah, let him share
Mm-hmm.
his screen here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm doing that. Come on.
So what we are doing is number 6. But of course, we can still do spec flow activation to replace.
Sorry, Bimbo, can I show you what I have? What
Okay.
I've installed?
Okay, wait, let's see what
okay, unit 1.
Yeah.
Cost
runner, yeah.
Cost runner,
okay.
Selenium support,
yeah,
web
yeah.
driver.
Okay, Selenium web driver, Chrome driver.
I think so I don't think I didn't do all this for sticking it up there.
Yeah, maybe by default you have by default you have some Nugget installed for you.
Okay.
Yeah, but you need to add to it.
I think I've done the N unit. Yes, this is it.
All the N units. Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm good to go. Yeah. I think I've
okay, now have you done Selenium web driver, Chrome driver?
Yes, I think I've done that. Yeah, it's
web driver, Chrome. Okay.
And this is the Chrome one.
Yes.
All right.
So who is having issue again? So it looks like everybody's on the same page.
Can I stop sharing? Or can I stay there?
Yeah, yes, please. So now what we need to do is to add the additional folder structure and activate our spec flow. So with that, we know that we can start writing our test. Even if we cannot start writing our test now, we can do that maybe tomorrow or when next is approved for keyways to meet. But we need to do the folder structure. So one person, please share screen as we have been doing. Please, yeah. So we in our folder, page object is missing, which we will need. So let's create one folder. So for us to create a folder, we need to right click on the project. And you know our project name on your right, where you have the solution explorer on your right. So if you bring your mouse down to your project name, which is Arthur Robin project, now right click. No, you need to right click on the project, the name of the project. Now, yeah.
Okay, I have.
Click on add, scroll down and click on add, new folder. Now call it page objects. Page, capital letter P and capital letter O. Please, everyone should follow, ask question, page objects.
What do you call the object?
Yes, that's it.
Page object.
Please add S to it, and we will create another one called.
So sorry, Bimbo, please.
Yes.
I should click on the project name.
Yes, right click. Right click.
I've done that. It doesn't drop anything for me.
You will drop if you right click. Okay, now do the same again, Ato, for hooks folder, because we need it.
For hooks folder.
Yeah. So on the project name. Yes, right click. Can you see what it's doing? So click add and click new folder.
Yeah.
And this time we call it hooks. OOKS. Yes, that is it. No, you don't need
just
project
hooks.
Again, just hooks. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is our folder structure. And you know the folder structure is number 4 of our step. So we will make sure that we complete up to number 6, which we are almost done. So
page
once you
folder,
have,
oops, folder.
Has everybody added 2 folder to the folder list?
Sorry, can I share my screen, please? I click. I right click on it. Nothing's dropping.
Okay, share.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Now, right click. You know where everybody have been? Are you seeing the screen when Actor was doing it?
Yeah.
What did he do? Where did he put his mouse?
On the project name.
That's not the place.
Thank you.
You see the solution explorer.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're right.
Exactly.
Then right click there.
Right click. Good. So you need to click add.
Add.
Down.
Okay.
Then go to new folder.
Okay.
What do you say the name should be?
Oops.
No, page folder. Page project or page folder.
Or something.
Page project.
It means that Kayode, you've not actually done it. Because if you have done it, you will see the name. Actor, what is the name? Page
objects.
Page objects. Yeah.
Exactly. So
page. I put page project.
No.
It's page project. I put it.
No. You need to follow what we are doing. Don't do.
I've renamed it.
Sorry, can you call page what, please?
Objects.
Page objects.
Okay.
Yes.
Together. Everything together.
I renamed it already.
Together. No space. Yes.
Okay.
Page.
Objects.
Is it X?
Yes.
Okay.
So we need one more folder called hooks folder. So we do the same again.
Okay.
And right click, add folder, and we name it hooks. Yes.
Okay.
So is everybody on the same page?
Yeah.
I think it's good. Yeah. So if any keyword is saying that they don't understand, please, one of you should be able to from the beginning of installation to this stage, I think keywords you'll be able to teach yourself, I believe. Am I right?
Your faith has made you whole.
Okay, so that is our folder structure, which is number 4. So we will do the number 5, which is activation. Then we will leave step 7 to 14 till another day, which is step 7 is now create a feature file. So that's when we need a special day, which is maybe tomorrow or another day approved to start that test. We cannot do it this night because of the time, but this is the setup. But well done, everyone. This is the actual setup that we are doing. So who is having any issue before we move to spec flow activation? Okay, everybody's on the same page. So now we need to double click on the calculator dot feature.
Okay.
Not double click, just click yes. Now we need another, we need to have our test explorer to show how many tests is inside this feature file. So for us to see it, we need to click on view at the top, one of our menu called view. Yep. Now, test explorer, just click on it, test explorer. Yep. So this is another training, how to dock it. Because sometimes we have it like this, but we need to be able to dock it proper. So first of all, you need to reduce it. You know, it's kind of wide. Try to make it, yeah, do that. Yeah, good. Drag it, whether to the right or to the left. To the left. Everybody should do the same, please. Drag
okay?
it. Yeah, drag it. Keep dragging because you want to reduce it. It's kind of too wide. Exactly. So now you need to put your mouse, you know, at the top where you have the dot, 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 dot. Is it dot, dot, dot? But that line, put your mouse there and use it to control it. Try to move your hand. You will see that it's moving. No, you will see that it's moving. Bring it down. Bring it down. You see that it's moving.
Okay.
Bring it
you
down.
have to click on it. Click as you put your cursor on it, click it.
Yeah,
and
I'm
move
dragging it already.
Drag it.
So
Bring
where?
it down. I can't see any movement too. Maybe
I'm dragging
because
it down.
it's
This is
okay.
it.
Yes,
Now,
drag it.
oh, good. Now, where we want you to drag it to is to your left.
Okay.
You know, where you have this my tag scenario, by the time you get to that junction, you will see a controller standing alone. And just put your mouse, let your mouse touch it. Your mouse should touch that controller standing alone. By the time, no, you need to drag it up. I said my tag scenario. My tag scenario.
My tag scenario.
It's at the top. It's still at the top. Before you get there, you will see controller on your screen. Did you see any controller?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, one. Yeah.
Okay. You will now see one standing alone, closer
left
to the exactly
edge.
now.
Yeah.
Exactly. Because you see it closer to the edge, make sure your mouse is touching it like a sensor.
Okay. It turned to
So
purple.
when it show purple, it will show like a straight line down, isn't it?
Straight line down. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Now let go of your hand on the mouse so that it does. Well done. That was good.
Okay. To lock it in there.
Exactly. Can you see that it's already pinned? If you look at the
can
pin,
pin
the
it
pin
there.
is there. Exactly. And you can unpin and pin it back. But we will not unpin so that we move.
So we just need to.
You need to dock it. So you need your error list as well to be docked. So let's bring out our error list at the bottom.
Sorry,
So
Bimbo,
do the same.
I'm having a struggle to do that.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to Test Explorer. I have the little box.
Okay, try to reduce it because it's kind of too wide.
Okay, I've done that.
Now put your mouse where you have the line,
Okay.
dot line.
Yeah.
Try to drag it towards your left, and you will now see a controller standing alone closer to the edge. Make sure your mouse is touching that controller because it's just like a sensor.
Okay. Yeah.
So when you now touch it, it will show blue. And that blue means that, did you want to have it here like this? Just let go of the mouse and it will dock for you. That's how to dock everything here.
Not think I'm missing something here.
Okay. Did you want to share your screen?
Yeah, let
Yes,
me get it.
yes, please.
So have everybody been able to do the Test Explorer? Don't force it. Make sure it's docked. Some of us will just put it in one corner, like it's docked. It's not docked.
Okay, so this is it.
Yes. So by the time you move up towards the scenario, you will see a controller standing closer to the edge.
What's a controller?
Okay.
You will see it coming up on your screen. By the time you move closer, you will even see it yourself. Move up a little bit. Keep moving, you will see those controller. It will flash.
Is it like a cross?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah, so the cross is on my right.
Then
So now
there's
you
one
see
box on the
there's one
left.
on the left, closer to the edge. And you need to be on the left to see it. You cannot be in the center and see it. No. You need to move closer to, I've been saying scenario. Don't move past scenario. Don't move past, it's too fast.
Okay, yeah, so I'm just under the scenario now.
Now, you should now see it standing alone.
Yes,
now,
I can
make
see.
sure your mouse is touching it. Make sure your mouse is touching it. So when make sure it's towards the left, not anywhere on the cross. Did you get it? Because it's Zoom, we might not see, but if you're using Teams, we will be able to see every movement. But it's fine because, of course, that is how Zoom application works anyway.
Yeah. But you can see my own Test Explorer.
Because you've not let go to dock it, I can't see it. I can see it.
Okay.
So you need to have that touch. Because you're actually there, but I don't know if you're moving it or to look for that particular
So I'm stationary now.
No, you don't need to be stationary. You need to move.
Okay,
and
so
by the time you move slowly, you will see that standing alone towards the edge, just like I think Olusegun, you are the one that shared screen before, right?
Yeah.
So now when you see standing alone,
so
make sure that your mouse is
what's
going
standing
towards
alone?
it.
The controller.
Olusegun, can you explain, because you have just done it?
Yeah, move it to the left. You see that arrow in the little box, just standing alone to the edge of the screen.
Arrow standing alone.
Did you see the cross?
I can see the cross on my right.
Okay. What can you see on your left?
There's nothing on my left.
That means you are not moving the Test Explorer to the right place.
The edge.
So if you move it inside the...
It's just beneath my tag scenario.
Are you moving it at all?
I am. I'm moving it now.
Okay, move it down a little bit.
Okay.
Until you see it. Try to go up again and down until you see it. You actually see it's always standing alone.
That's so weird.
It's a bit how can I say it? It's a bit tricky.
It showed just now.
I just did it.
Yeah, it showed just now.
Olusegun was able to do it now, and then
I saw it just now. Keep moving it, you'll see it.
I've just did it now, but
really?
It's tricky. Yeah.
Yeah, Otto.
Yeah.
Just keep moving it around. I saw it just now.
Okay.
When you see that the color has changed to blue, that's when it has accepted
when the color
it.
changes,
You just release it.
Let go.
Just let go.
No, you are not moving it at all. Yeah. The audit, yeah. Drag it.
So
just keep moving it around there.
To the left?
Left, just to the left. Drag it down. Maybe it's gone down.
No, don't do it like that. No.
Don't do it like that. Yeah.
You have not actually docked it. Bring it out again. Yeah, good. Now move it like you carry something. Yeah. And try to look for that standalone.
Yeah, I think that's my struggle. This standalone thing, that's what I can't find.
You see that cross that you are seeing,
Yeah.
it as if it has, so if you count the box that make that cross, it's
Okay.
as if 4 or 6.
Yeah.
But there's only one of such
very
box that is
small
by
one.
the left.
Okay.
That one is the one she's telling you to target. When you target that one, when you target it and yeah, you see.
Well
Oh,
done.
That's it.
Jesus.
But did
So
you
that's
really
how we
say it? Did you
fix.
say it?
Yeah. So well done. And when you do the right thing, you will see it pin it. If you put your mouse on the pin, you will see that is a pin. You know where you have the straight line? Put
Yeah,
your
this one
mouse
here.
on it. No. In the Text Explorer, where you have pin before the X. Before X.
Yeah. This pin here.
Exactly. Auto hide. Yeah. So that is pin. So if you want to, I will not say you should click on it so that yeah. But if you want to hide it, that's what you click on. And if you want to bring it back, you do that. And if you want to pin it, you do the same. But it's already pinned now. So well done. So we will use your test to do our spec flow activation. So what you need to do right now, we will go to our solution on the right. Everybody, please go to solution on the right. Right click on it.
In the
Solution,
search.
where you have the solution author.
Yeah.
Yes, right click on it. Now, clean solution. Everybody, please, let's clean solution.
Clean solution. Let me see what is it. I'll turn it there.
Okay, did you see
I
clean
don't think I
succeeded?
follow that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Well,
Otto, can you show him what you just done? You can do it again.
So
It's
on the
fine.
solution, search solution explorer, just the tab beneath it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll have your solution name, project name.
Yeah, project name.
Yeah, so right click on that.
Okay.
You'll see the clean solution. I think it's the next tab below. Then just click on the clean solution.
Okay. And you will see that message at the bottom.
Clean succeeded.
Saying clean succeeded. You see? So now we need to do another one, the same spot again. If you right click,
I'm seeing only clean. I'm not seeing.
Okay, let me click on mine.
Can you see auto mouse where it is?
Wait, no, let me, okay, yeah.
Can you see it? Now right click, do the same as what he's doing. Can you see clean solution from there?
Oh, let me see.
Okay, Otto, what you need to do is just build solution.
Build,
so we
the
might
first
have
one.
to come, yes, build.
Okay.
So it means that we want to see our calculator dot feature.
My one is showing only clean.
It's not possible.
Clean solution.
Not even others is not showing, right? So with 2022, expect a lot of error message because it's 2022. So what this one is saying is that you have C#, you have this is a program language and you need it. And you need 10.0, but at the moment you have 8.0. Did you get it? So we will fix it now. What you need to do is just to right click on your project. No, not right click. Click on your
show
project.
you my screen because I've not seen clean solution.
Okay. Otto, you share next. Let's see what kind they have.
All right, I'll stop sharing.
Are you seeing it now?
On the solution. Right click.
Okay, sorry.
It's fine. Just clean solution.
And then right click on it again.
Yep. And build solution. Okay, you can see that you have your, where is your Text Explorer? You have Text Explorer, you have your error list together, and you have your output. It's fine. But at the moment, you might need to bring it out and put it in the middle at the bottom. So drag
Test
error
Explorer.
list out. Drag the error list out, please. Drag it out because you just want your Test Explorer to hone that spot. No, you see that line. Make sure that your cursor is touching that dot line. It's not touching where you have the drop down or anywhere. You can see where you have the error list. You can see a straight line in front of error list.
Yeah,
that
this
line, straight line in front of error list.
Error list, okay.
Okay, what is that line? What is that line? Is it a straight line or dot line?
It's a dot, yeah.
Okay, drag it out so that you can use it to drag it out. Put it in the middle.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what you have again. Now it's fine. Now you need to drag error list out from there because you have 3 tabs together.
Yeah, 3 tabs.
So try to expand it. Try to expand it a little bit.
Solution.
Error list.
Okay,
Outputs.
I think it's okay. Now you need to bring error list out. Put your mouse on that straight line and try to drag it out like you come out of this space.
It's not. It's not.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay, click on the Test Explorer. It's
You
fine.
see
Now
what
drag it out. It's fine. So drag it out. Now we can now see it very well. So go to the error list first. No, Test Explorer first. Test Explorer tab. Drag it out. Now drag it. Yes. Let go. Now that is Test Explorer. Reduce it, please. So the same thing you've told Author to do, now try to do it now.
Okay.
For Test Explorer. To say that towards the left, you see that standalone and let go.
Has it done?
You have not done it too. Definitely, you are not doing what you asked Author to do. You are actually doing different thing. Because what you've just done is that the tab have joined the rest tab. So if you have done it right, it should be towards the left and the rest will now be shift to the middle. So I said we should start with Test Explorer, test.
Okay.
So that's because one thing is that I don't know if it is your mouse. It's kind of too fast in terms of clicking. So yes, bring it out. Yep, reduce it. Reduce it. Okay, good. Bring it down. Make sure your mouse is on that straight line.
Okay,
good.
straight dotted
Because
line.
because you use it as a spot. Now let us look for that controller towards the left.
Yeah, this controller is towards the left, but it
should be standing alone, no. As it doesn't matter whether we have lots of tabs, it should still stand alone towards the left. I think you've done it before. You just need to repeat the
I did it before, but it's not. Yeah.
Good, well done. Now the rest, you can see that I pushed the rest to the middle to say, please leave this spot for me. So now what we need to do, our error list, we are going to do the same. But this time around, it will be in the middle at the bottom. So start coming down and use the controller, the cross, which is at the bottom. You know, we have the north.
Have you seen it now?
Well done. So now let's drag our outputs to join the broader error list. So drag the output, drag it. Now make sure it's touching the bottom cross so that it will be like a tab to error list as well. Look for the cross and put it at the bottom. But make sure this time around, no. Drag the one at the top to meet the one at the, no, it's not looking okay. Don't try to reduce it. Just make sure that you is the cursor and the controller is touching.
Okay.
I can't find this. Oh, this is it.
Okay, what you can do again, let's go to window, one of our menu at the top. If you go to one of our menu at the top, let's see whether you have something there by default so that it's set because it's not looking good at the moment. If you click on window menu at the top, window, one of the menu, yeah, click on it. Now let's go to manage window layout. Manage window layout. Click on it. Let's see what you have. Okay, nothing is saved. Okay, that's fine. Click on close. So let's click on it again. Let's see if we have a ready-made layout by default. Window. Let's go to, let's see, apply window layout. Apply window layout, what you have there. Nothing is saved. Okay, that's fine. We need to do the layouts then. So it's like your mouse is kind of too fast. So it's all over the place now. So click anywhere outside so that this can go. So you need to bring your error list beside your output. And it will be at the bottom. If you're letting go in a particular spot that you're not supposed to let go, it will show to everyone in the call that is actually in the wrong place, which is what is happening now. I was expecting it at the bottom, not even towards the left at all. So if you're moving it, make sure that your movement is restricted to the bottom alone, not to the left, not to the right. But if your mouse is moving to the left and right, you will be seeing so many things like this. Did you get it?
Yeah.
And our text explorer that have been fixed is actually dragged out again. So I don't know how you are going to fix this, but
now, do you want me to put this error list at the bottom of output, show output?
Exactly.
How will it now go? It's not even ready to go there. Okay,
let's do our text explorer so that we can put this in shape. Text explorer, let's drag it out, let's fix it so that it sets everyone to the middle. We've not done our activation of SpecFlow. Maybe that will be another day. Maybe tomorrow because of time. Okay, the way you've done your text explorer, now bring your error list down gradually. Make sure that the highlight part of it is in the middle. It's not stretching to the right or to the left. It's actually in the middle at the bottom. Then when you see it like that, let go. It fixes itself beside output.
Yeah, beside output, beside.
Yes. So if you see it highlighted just in the middle alone, but at the bottom, yeah, let go. No, you cannot. No, you did not let it touch the controller in the right spot. The controller is touching there is towards the right. No, it should be towards the bottom.
Is it that way?
Let's see. I said bottom.
Yeah, it's here in the bottom.
That is not bottom to me. It looks like middle. Okay, now make sure your output is also at the bottom.
See,
let your output be at the bottom too, because it needs to be side by side. So if you drag it, yeah, keep dragging. Make sure now this time around is at the bottom. The controller will also be the bottom one, but this time around you will see it highlighting from the error list but everything will still be in the middle. It means that it will now be a tab now.
I can't even. It's not even. Okay.
So if it's not, okay.
It's not accepting it. It's covering the error list. Okay. Can I just leave it? Leave it like?
No, that is no. So if you're letting go, don't let go in the middle. Let go at the bottom. Make sure that is highlighting the bottom. At the moment, you're letting go in the middle section.
Do you want error list to be on top and output to be at the
I did not
bottom?
say on top. I said bottom. Don't put it as a layout, like one should be at the top, one should be at the bottom. I said side by side.
Okay.
When you see the controller, just let go. Maybe I should request for control so that it saves time. So let me request for control and you will see it. Hold on. Maybe I need to stop sharing and stop recording to have